Okay, YouTube, so today we finna make some fried chicken. Let's get it. We in the kitchen. Yo, the recipe for this chicken, I'm gonna upload that and put that in the description. Check that out. Yeah, you always wanna make sure your chicken nice and seasoned. As you can see, I'm finna let that marinate in the refrigerator for about an hour. You know what I'm saying? We finna get busy, you feel? Get busy in the kitchen. We gonna throw this up, no edit, you know? Big, you know, watch out for the door. Watch out for the door together. So you wanna make sure that grease get nice and hot. So, you know what I'm saying? Stir that barbecue sauce up, cause you know we gonna put some barbecue sauce on that thing. Make sure that grease nice and hot though, you know what I'm saying? We gonna get right to it though. We finna get ready to drop that chicken, you know what I'm saying? You gonna see that. So this my mom, you know, she be getting down. Y'all gonna see some of her meals. I don't think she really getting down like I am, but definitely special barbecue sauce. Look at my TikTok, my Facebook. I got this recipe on there. You can check it out. Definitely grease hot. Now we finna drop that chicken. Yeah.
Dad, what are you talking about?
Get busy in the kitchen with your boy. You know what I'm saying?
Dad, what
Nice fry on that chicken. You wanna make sure that chicken get nice brown. You know what I'm saying? Nice and crispy. Probably look like this, you know what I'm saying, when you get done. Feel? So I suggest you fry your chicken probably about good, you know what I'm saying, 5 minutes, both sides, you feel me? Probably a little longer. I really don't even go off time, I just go off look. You know what I'm saying, when it's golden brown, nice. You know what I'm saying? Not too crispy or whatever. You know what I'm saying? I think those joints be kind of done. So, yeah, I really just do things like off-site, you feel me? So, you know what I'm saying? You just fill it out. You should see what it look like, you know what I'm saying? And if you did that chicken right, that should come out looking like this. Dedicate this to the big bags, you know what I'm saying? Everybody out here cooking, you know what I'm saying, enjoying them good meals with their family. There you go, man. Good chicken. Test it out.